Guys, greetings to everyone on the Asab trade channel, and today, as always, your servant Asab, and today I will really talk about a cute and very effective and smart trading strategy. With helping that trading strategy, your mom can increase own deposit on the binary options just for, I don't know, for 20 minutes. So before we start, I want to ask you, subscribe to my Telegram channel and leave the comment and like under that video, because it is very important to me. Let's get started. So guys, let's open the forecast where we will trade a pocket option best platform on the binary option in the world. And so today I will use really good trading strategy. And so I'll try to increase my deposit online from $20, as you can see. And so time expiration will be 1 minute and time frame will be 1 minute too. And today I will use some indicators. It will be Bollinger Bands, and change the settings exactly like mine. And the MACD indicator, change the settings exactly like mine. So and let's begin to trading. I'll explain everything in detail afterwards. So we must find a really good situation for that trading session. So we're just waiting for it. Heard about that. So I enter with my $20, all my amount for one deal, and I'm entered to upper position, currency pair KCF, and let me explain everything in detail, guys. So and the first, we're watching two Bollinger Band indicator. The indicator have three lines, and that three lines are directed on some direction. And so if that three lines are directed to upper position, it's the good signal to enter to upward trend. So, and if that three lines are directed to down position, it's the good signal to enter to down zone. Everything is simple. So, and if you're watching two MACD indicator, the indicator showing us the two lines and histograms, and that two lines intersect each other and are directed to some direction. And if that two lines intersect each other and are directed to upper position, then the good signal to enter to upper trend. And if that two lines intersect each other and are directed to down position, it's the good signal to enter to downtrend. So, and we can watching two histogram, and that histogram showing the red and green candle, and that candles showing us the direction too. So if that candles lying to upper zone, it's a signal to enter to upper position, and if that candles lying to down zone, it's a good signal to enter to upper position. And we get the first profit. My bank account $39, and it's looking good. If you are a beginner, you can work with me absolutely free of charge. Just subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, and I share with you all useful information what I have, and I'll send you the link in my V.I.P channel where we trade with my team every day and where we get the great results, and we're really showing in our V.I.P channel that results. So I measured to upper position, and I measured because the Bollinger Band showing the good signal to enter to upper position, because the three lines are directed to upper trend. So but in that moment reversal just happened, and it's okay. But if you're watching to MACD indicator, that indicator consists from two lines, and that two lines are related to a little bit upper trend. So and it's because I am decided to enter to upper position, and so we're just waiting for our profit, and we get the profit, guys. So on my bank account $74, and it's really very good. I'm entered to RCNI currency pair, and I'm entered to down position, and let me explain everything in detail. So we're watching to OMRCNI OTS to the MACD indicator. The indicator really showing us the two lines intersect each other and are directed to downward trend. So, and it was the first signal to enter to downtrend. And if you're watching to Bollinger Band, then indicator really showing us good trend, good global trend, and three lines are directed to downward trend, and it was a really good signal to enter to downward position. So and I think that all must be okay, and we right identify the trend direction, and all must be alright. So we get the profit on my bank account, $143, and it's looking good. And so I enter NZD currency pair, and we are entered to upper position, and one amount $143, and we're just waiting for our profit, guys. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And so as you can see, the price motion really increasing and jumping, so it's really good. But in that case the dumping a little bit happening, and so I think that all must be all right. And so we get the profit, $274 on my bank account, and I'm glad to see it. So I'm entered to euro try currency pair, and I'm entered to downward position. If you're watching two Bollinger Band at here, they really gave us the good signal to enter to down position, and three lines are directed to downward trend, and it was good signal to enter to down position. So, and if you're watching two market indicator and indicator really showing the two lines intersect each other and are directed to down trend, and because of it I'm entered to down position, and I think that all must be good. And we're waiting for our profit and for finish our deal, and so we're just waiting for our profit. And we get our profit, $526, guys. It's just looking very good. And I'm entered to OMR CNI currency pair, and I'm entered to downward position, and let me explain everything in detail. So if you're watching to Bollinger Band indicator are directed to showing us three lines, and that three lines are directed to down position, and it was good signal to enter to downtrend. And if you're watching to market indicator really showing the good motion to downward position, and cause the two lines are directed to downwards, and the histogram showing the candles lying to down zone, and it was good signal to enter to down position. I think so, and we're just waiting for our profit. We get the profit, $1,010 on my bank account, and it's really looking very good, guys. So enter HF currency pair, and I'm entered to upper trend, and and if you're watching to Bollinger Band indicator showing us the three lines are directed to upper position, and that three lines are directed to upper trend, and it was this first signal to enter to upper position. And if you're watching to market indicator really showing us the two lines that lines intersect each other and are directed to upper position, and it was the second signal to enter to upper trend. And so we did it, and we waiting for our profit. I think that all must be all right, but the price motion begin to irritate me and begin to dumping, and it's not good for us. But we get the profit, $1,930 on bank account. I'm increased my deposit from $20 to $1,930, guys. It's sound really unbelievable. So I entered to euro try currency pair, and I'm entered to upper position, and if you're watching to Bollinger Band indicator, that indicator showing us the good signal with three lines intersect with three lines, that three lines are directed to upper position. And if you're watching to market indicator, that indicator showing two lines intersection that made the intersection and are directed to upper trend. And I think that all must be right, because we really right identify the trend direction, and we get our profit exactly. I think so, and I think that it will be the last trade for today's session, because I'm really excited, and on my bank account really good amount will be really good amount. And so we're just waiting for our profit, and we get the profit, guys, on my bank account, $3,678. So It sounds crazy. I'm increased my deposit from $20 as you can saw, and right now on my bank account $3,678, guys. So, and I wanna make the withdrawal for today's session, and I think that 2,000, guys. And so, and we did it. If you not forget that at previous time I'm made the withdrawal amount $1,000, and right now I made the withdrawal $2,000, and it is new account for social tradings, and with that account you can join with trading, social trading, corporate trading, and you will make the good results, guys. Just come join us and subscribe to my Telegram channel. So guys, in the conclusion, I want to tell that I'm increased my deposit from $20 to 3,000, around $800, and it's really sound very crazy as you can saw. And so I know that you want the same. Just subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description under that video. Just write me in the private message, teach me, and I'll send you all useful information what I have, and I'll share link in my VIP channel where we trade with my team every day and where we get the great results. See you soon, and until next time, hack you all until it crunches.